Hey guys, this is Rosa Kelly. Today I'm going to share with you a quick and easy way to add more pictures onto your existing mini album. So if you have a mini album that you kind of run out of space and you want to add something fun to it and just add a couple more pictures or just add something movable and cute, these floating pockets are perfect for that. So over here we have a cute little pocket, and this is a little sliding feature that you can go ahead and open and add more pictures. And the fun part is that you can just have multiple of these, clip them onto your mini album pages. You can use a little paper clip, or you can just simply glue it on top of a page as a fun little added feature as well. For this book I am using my digital collection called My Sweet Valentine, which is my paper collection for the month of February for my Patreons. I'm also working on a full mini album tutorial that is going to be shared on Patreon, and I'm going to do a full walkthrough here for you. But if you're not into Patreon, this collection is also available on my website, so I'm going to have the link down below. And now let's make this together. Okay, so to make my interactive pockets, first you want to check the size of your album that you're making. Like if you're making an 8x8 and maybe your pages are 7.5, you want to make sure you're not making this book larger than your page. So I am going to be sizing my pocket to be for a 7-inch page. So I'm gonna cut this cardstock at 8. So this is going to be 8 by 11. And then we are going to score along the 8 inches. Let me grab my score tool here. Along the 8 inches, we're going to score at 1/2 inch and at 7.5. And then along the 11 inches, I am going to score at 6. Okay, and then we are going to cut, and I'm just going to cut this by hand, but you can put it on your paper trimmer as well. So this side here, the longer side, the 6-inch side, we are going to cut along the score line. So I'm just going to go like that. Okay, and then we're going to just cut at an angle like that. And then we're going to do the same on this other side here. Okay, so I'm just gonna cut along the score line and then go at an angle like this. And then we are going to fold along the score lines. So let me bring out my tool here, and we're just gonna fold and fold, and then this is going to be folded on half, just like that, right? And this is going to be the pocket. Now to add that sliding feature, I am going to use another piece of cardstock, and I'm just gonna use some of my scraps that I have left over from other projects. And so we're gonna cut a piece at 1 by 6 3/4. Okay, so 1 by 6 3/4, and then I'm going to do another piece that is going to be 1 by 3 inches, and so we are going to score the piece that measures 6 3/4. We're going to score at 1/2 and at 6 1/4. And the piece that measures 3 inches, we're going to score at 1 1/8 and at 2 1/4. Okay, so 1 1/8 and 2 1/4. And then we're going to fold, and this is going to be a loop. So I'm just going to join the ends together and press down. And then we're going to pass this through that 1-inch belt piece. Okay, so this is going to be a little belt, and this is going to slide through. Then we're just going to fold these 1/2 inch sections back, and we are going to glue this piece on the 6-inch part of our pocket. So we are just going to put that at the center. So I'm going to add my glue, and press this at the center, and you want to line this up to the outside edge of the page. Okay, and then press down, and then make sure it's going straight, and press down. Okay, so now I'm going to put this to the side, and I'm going to cut a new piece of cardstock, and this is going to be 6.5. Okay, and I'm going to cut these by 10.5. Okay, so 6.5 by 10.5, and we are going to score this piece along the 10.5. I'm going to score at 5 3/4 and fold along the score line, just like that. And then we're gonna have an opening page here. Now we are going to add this piece on this sliding loop section. So I'm going to push the loop all the way to the left side, and it's hard to see, but here's my loop, and we're going to add the glue right here, and then I'm going to put this piece right on top. Okay, so that's gonna go right there on top, and press down, and then I'm going to pull this piece all the way out like that, and then just finish up by gluing the pocket. So we're gonna glue these two sides, and when you glue that, make sure that this 1/2 inch is going behind the sliding page. So this is the sliding page, and you kind of just want to go behind like that, and same thing, go around and behind like that. And we're going to add the glue. Okay, so I'm just gonna add my glue here and right here, and then we're going to close these, and again you want to make sure this is going around, this 1/2 inch is going behind the sliding page. So press down and press down, there we go, and then you're gonna be able to push your pocket in right there, and you can pull that out and then open it right here. So now you have a really fun interactive floating pocket to add to any of your projects. And I'm just gonna go ahead and add my design paper. Okay, so to decorate my floating pocket, I'm going to be using my Sweet Valentine collection. This is my digital collection that I created for the month of February. And I'm going to cut these here at 6 3/4. And I'm going to try to center this image at, I think this is going to be 4 3/4 here. So I'm just gonna cut these like that, and I'm going to put these here on the front. Okay, so add my glue, and then we're gonna put that right there, and then I'm going to use this page here, and this I'm going to cut. This is going to be 4.5, so we're gonna do 4.5 here by 6 1/4. So that it's going to go on this opening pocket right there. So I'm just gonna go ahead and glue this down. Okay, and that's gonna go on my sliding pocket, so that's gonna come right in there. For the inside, I'm just going to use this pink cardstock, and I'm going to do 1 by 4.5. So this is 6.25 by 4.5 here, and let me glue this on the inside, and this will mainly be a place for pictures or to do a little journaling. Okay, and then the other one is going to be 6.25 by 5.5, and then this is going to go right here on top, and I'm just gonna glue this down. Okay, and that is going to be your interactive floating pocket, so you can always keep it like that, or you can just put it on the inside, and you can add it to your mini albums. You can keep it as a little card if you wanted to kind of have it as a fun little Valentine's card or any occasion card. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use this really cute paper clip and clip it onto one of the pages of my mini album and just have it as a floating pocket. And so I hope that you guys enjoy this super quick and easy tutorial on how to make an interactive floating pocket that you can add onto your mini albums. You can clip it onto any of your pages, or you can also give it as a cute little card or add it to your journals. I want to thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.